welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Jaylee. I'm back. I am having a very record-friendly day. So, y'all might have seen a video or two or four with this on. But I'm coming to y'all with another review. Another wig-friendly, budget-friendly, beginner-friendly review. This one's going to be on another, upside down. Oh, no. Oh, it just looked backwards on the camera. I'm slow. It's another Freetress wig. This one is called Toby. And it is in, I guess, brown and butterscotch and something else. I don't know what I got, y'all. I peeked in it a little bit, but I have not opened none. I haven't opened it. But y'all, I think it's something different. So let's, just jump on in to this. This is what it's supposed to look like. Y'all, what I done got myself into? Messing around with y'all. What I done done? What I done done? But let's go ahead and get in this thing. This one is very, very, very colorful. I will say that. And it is out of my norm. But I'm going to try it anyway. But this is what it's supposed to look like. And it's Toby. And I got it in, I guess, SP B-Butterscotch. Which I guess means it goes from golden brown to blonde to like brown, dark brown, a yellow gold to blonde. This is the parting space that it does come with. And it is constructed with just that little bit of parting space. You do have the lace front. It comes with 3 clips, 2 in the front and 1 in the back. It has the adjustable straps in the back. And it has enough space down here that I think you could pull it up some. These caps are always really too big for my head. So I normally have to put them on the last strap to make sure that they fit my head. Okay. So now that we have that together, I'm going to go ahead and try this wig on. It just FYI, it is a synthetic wig. And so let's go ahead. Okay, y'all. So this is how the wig looks straight out of the box. Lace still on it. I'm going to cut that lace off, but I wanted y'all to see what it looked like straight out the box and everything. It's not bad at all. It is different for me because this ain't something that I would wear. So I'm contemplating cutting this lace off because I might just give it away, but who knows. But give me 1 second. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to cut the lace off and have it on for y'all. Okay, so I'm back. I have put the wig on, cut the lace. I put a little powder up there. This wig also says that, like the previous one I uploaded, that it can do 400, up to 400 degrees safe. I'm really not going to try it because it comes with the curls right now, so I like the curls. This color is different for me. I probably should have wore a different shirt. But I actually like it. My daughter said it was pretty. I didn't think I probably could pull something off with my skin tone with this color, but it's not bad at all. And again, this is a really budget-friendly wig. I got it for $11, but I'm going to place how much it costs if you actually buy it off of the website for regular price. I really do like this hair. It has a snug fit. I didn't put any glue or anything like that. I just used the bands they had in the back. I put them to the tightest and it is on my head. I really wouldn't pull it back in a ponytail or anything like that. But I do like it. I really wanted to give you all some beginner-friendly, budget-friendly wigs, synthetic ones that you could get and pick up that were not ridiculously priced and that didn't take a lot of customization, that you could sort of pull out the box, put on, and it would look nice. I did do another one that is a solid color, is a solid one. This one is for those ladies who do like color, and this does come in a variety of colors. They have pink, toffee, rose gold, taffy, and it comes in your regular colors as well as it comes, I think, in a blue silver as well. So, let me know what you think about this wig down at the bottom. Also, if you purchased it, if you have it, let me know what you thought about it. And I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Mwah.